Okay, this trick, you might see the packaging calling it the Buddha paper mystery or the easy money vanisher. What you do, and I'm going to show you kind of how you do it with the kids. So basically you just show the kids, I'm going to open up the yellow paper, okay, and then I'm going to open up the blue paper. Now you tell them you're opening it carefully so you don't rip the paper. I'll open up the green, a lot of paper in here, you open up the red. Okay, now you can show them all the papers. I'm going to put a penny inside. So you show them I'm going to put a penny in there and I'm going to wrap up the sides. Now you wrap the sides, top and bottom, so it closes neatly. Then you do the green. You have to make sure you line it up nicely in the middle, otherwise it won't close right. Then you say I'm going to close the blue. Then you say I'm going to close the blue. Now you explain to them this is a cool trick. So here, I'm going to close the yellow, open up the yellow, and then when I open up the yellow, I just open everything up again. The blue, I say, now I'm opening up the green, now I'm opening up the red, and look at that, you show them the penny is all gone, and you can show them both sides, all gone. And that's a trick. Now you say to the kids, do you want to see the secret? And they're going to say, yep, here's what you do. You explain on the back of the blue is another blue, inside is another green, and another red, and another, I'm sorry, just those, another green, and another red. So what you're doing is this. You explain to the kids, you close this red, you close this green, you close the blue. Now here's the trick. You have to flip over the blue. You tell them you have to flip it over, but you don't want them to see you flip it over. So what I do is I pick it up and I say something like, I'm going to do a cool magic trick. So I kind of like point this at them. I'm going to do a cool magic trick, and then I put it down. In the process, what I did was I flipped it over. And then you just close the yellow, open it up, and now it's already flipped over, so you just open the blue up, open the green up, open the red up, and you say, look, my penny's back. The whole idea is you never show them the back of that blue side because there's another set of blue on there. A couple things. When they close it, they really have to close the sides first. If they don't, it just becomes too hard to close, and it starts to get all uneven. So basically just encourage the kids to close the sides. They also don't always line it up evenly. They sometimes have it over here, a little off-center from the middle, and when they try and close it, it won't close. Help them to push it back in the middle, and then close it like that. And then basically that's all you have to do for the trick. Now, if you have some younger kids, they might have a hard time with this. Here's the easy way for them. If they really can't do it, take out the reds. Make it easier. So you have too many papers, get rid of the red from that side, take out the red from the other side. That way they don't have as much to close. Now they just have to close the green, close the blue. Remember, you say, I'm going to do some cool magic. Okay, watch the trick. So I flip it over, close the yellow, and then you open it up again. And once again, you would have taken the red out from the other side also. And that's a little easier way for the younger kids to do it. If you want to be real tricky with the older kids, you can explain to them you can turn a penny into a quarter or another coin, and all you're doing is hiding the other coin, like the quarter, on the other side before you started the trick. And that's it.